Hello there, welcome to Omeed Private High School online class. In this class, we are going to discuss some remaining topics of 11th grade geometry. Today's topic is the distance of a point to a line. Okay, as you see here, one point and one line is given. The coordinate of a point here and the equation of a line here, they are given. Now we try to calculate distance of this point A to this line D. How do you calculate distance between this point to that line? Here we have very simple formula. As you see, L means distance between this point and that line will be equal to absolute value of A times x1 B times y1 plus c divided by under root a square plus b square. You know what is a, b, c? A, b, coefficient of variables in the equation of line. You see, a is here coefficient of x, b is here coefficient of y, and c is constant value in the line equation. Here, this is c, constant number. x1, y1, they are coordinates of point A. You see here x1 and y1. So x1, y1 in the formula, they are the coordinates of point A. Okay, let's solve some examples related to this topic to make it more clear. Here, example number 1. Find the distance of the point O to the line x minus 1 plus 4 equal to 0. You see, here coordinate of point is given. Point O coordinate, it takes a value from x0 from y0. It means its origin. Next, equation of line is given here. X minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of one line. Now we want to calculate distance between point O to this line. Okay, we use that simple formula we just discussed. Formula was distance is equal to absolute value of A into x1 plus B into y1 plus C. Okay, plus C divided by under root a square plus b square. Okay, this was the formula. Now we just put the values. We just plug these given values. Now you know what is A. A is coefficient of x in the equation of line. Here it is 1. You see, 1. 1 times x1 is x coordinate of given point. Here it is 0. 1 into 0 plus b means coefficient of y in the equation of line. That is minus 1. You see, minus 1 times y1 is y coordinate of given point. Here it is 0. 0 plus c. C is constant number in the equation of line. That is 4. Okay, divided by under root a square. A is 1 square plus b square. B is minus 1 square, and from there it is numerator 1 into 0, 0 minus 1 into 0, 0. So numerator only 4 divided by under root 2. Now if we multiply numerator and denominator by under root 2, and we will get 4 into under root 2 divided by 2. And finally, distance between point O to line will be equal to 2 under root 2 units. This is how we calculate distance between a point and a line. Okay. Let's see some more examples. Example number 2. Find the distance of point A to the line 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, you see coordinate of point A is given here, and the equation of line also here it is given. Now we calculate distance between point A to this line. Okay, let's calculate. Again, we use that simple formula. L is equal to absolute value of AX1 plus BY1 plus C divided by, okay, let me write it more clear, plus C divided by under root A square plus B square. Okay, you know what is x1, what is y1, they are basically coordinates of given point here. This is x1 and y1. A, B, C, you know they are coefficients of variables in the given equation. A is coefficient of x, B is coefficient of y, and C is constant number. Okay, now we just plug these values into formula. Okay, here A is, as you see, it is 3, coefficient of x is 3. x1, x coordinate of given point here, it is 5. 3 times 5 plus B times y1. B is here, coefficient of y is minus 4. You see, minus 4 times y1 is y coordinate of given point. Here it is 2. Plus C is constant number in the equation of line, that is, here it is 5. Okay. Divided by under root A square. A is coefficient of x, 3 square, plus B is coefficient of y in the equation, that's minus 4. Minus 4 square. Okay. Here it is. Numerator 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 minus 8 is 12. Numerator is 12. Denominator is 3 square 9 plus 16, 25. And the root 25. And here it is 12 divided by 5. Finally, distance between point A to this line is equal to 2.4 units. Okay, that's how we calculate distance of a line to a point, or distance of a point to a line. Example 3. The distance of A to the line 5x minus 12y plus 5k is equal to 0 is 10. Means distance is 10. Distance between point A to this line is 10. Find positive value of k. Okay, you see distance of that point A, distance of point A to this line is given as 10 units. Okay, 10 units. Then we need to calculate this value. Value of k we need to calculate. Again, here we use simple formula. Okay. What was the formula? Formula was distance is equal to distance is equal to absolute value of A into x1 plus B into y1 plus C divided by under root A square plus B square. Okay. Now distance is given, AB given, x1, y1 given, we just plug these values into formula. Distance is how much? You see, distance is 10 units. So 10 is equal to 10 is equal to A is how much? It is 5. 5 times. X1 is how much? 12 plus. B is how much? It's minus 12. Minus 12 times. Y1, how much? Here it is. Plus 5. Plus. C is how much? See, it is 5k. Divided by under root. A is 5. 5 square plus. B is minus 12. Minus 12 square. From here, 10 is equal to 5 square 25, 12 square 144. If we add both, it becomes under root 169. And the numerator, you see, 5 into 12, 60. 5 into minus 12, minus 60 cancel. Only 5k left. 5k. Let me write more clear. 5k. Okay, let's calculate from here. 10 is equal to 5k divided by under 169 means 13. Okay, it becomes 13. Now cross product. We just multiply this way and this way. Okay, from here 10 into 13, 5k into 1. So 5k is equal to 130. To get exact value of k, we should divide both sides by 5. If we divide both sides by 5, then k will be equal to, from here, 2 and 6. 26 is the value of k. I hope this example is clear to you. Next, homework. Check yourself. Number 27 is your homework. And we continue distance between two parallel lines. We just completed distance between one point and a line. Here we just discuss distance between two parallel lines. You see here equations of two lines are given. This is equation of one line and this is equation of another line. Here what is difference? The only difference is in the constant numbers. In constant numbers, you see ax, by, they are same, only c1, c2, they are different. So they are basically parallel lines. Okay. Now, how we can calculate distance between this line and this line? Again, we have a very simple formula here. Okay, let's discuss about this formula. You see, length, distance between these two lines is equal to absolute value of c2 minus c1 divided by under a square plus b square. You see, c1, c2, you know, they are constant numbers in the equations of lines. A and b, you know, they are coefficients of x and y respectively. Okay, solve few examples to make the concept more clear. Example number 1. As you see here, two equations are given. This is the equation of one line, and this is the equation of another line, and they are parallel. Okay, if they are parallel, how do we calculate distance between them? Very simple formula we use here. Distance between these two lines is equal to absolute value of C2 minus C1 divided by under root A square plus B square. Okay, this was the formula. You see here? Now, A and B, they are coefficients of x and y. You see here, x has different coefficient, and here x has different coefficient. Here y has different coefficient, here y has different coefficient. So we should make them same. Coefficients of x should be same and coefficient of y should be same. How we can make that? Here it is 3x, here it is 1x, so we just multiply this equation with 3. Let's see what will happen. 3 times x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, we just multiply both sides by 3. 3 times x, 3x minus 3 times 2, 6y plus 15 equal to 0. Now you see here coefficient of x3, here coefficient of x3, coefficient of y minus 6, coefficient of y minus 6. Now we can plug the values. Distance is equal to C2 is how much? You see C2 is 9. 9 minus C1 is 15. 15 divided by under root a square. A is 3 here. Here also 3. So 3 square plus B. B is coefficient of y. Here it is minus 6. Here also it is minus 6. So minus 6 square. And it becomes equal to 6 divided by under root 45. Okay? 3 square is 9 plus 6 square is 36, so it becomes 45. This is equal to 6 divided by 3 under root 5. 2 divided by under root 5. If we multiply numerator and denominator by under root 5, then 2 under root 5 divided by 5 is the distance between these two lines. Okay. Example number 2. Find the distance between the parallel lines 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 and minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. We should calculate distance between them. Before going to formula, we should check the coefficients of variables. You see coefficient of x here minus 3, here it is plus 3. So we should make them same. How we can make them same? We should multiply this equation by minus 1, or we should divide by minus 1. Let's multiply by minus 1. If we multiply both sides by minus 1, minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 equal to minus 1 into 0. Okay, here it becomes 3x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. You see, we have got the equation in little bit different form. Now here coefficient of x same, coefficient of y also same, only difference is c, and c should be different or ac. Now here we calculate distance between these two lines. Distance is equal to absolute value of c2 minus c1 divided by under root a square plus b square. Here you see c2 is, here it is, okay, you see, if you multiply by minus 1 it should be minus 8, minus 8, because here it is plus minus 8. So minus 8 minus c1, here it is 5, you see, 5 divided by under root a square, a is 3 square plus b is minus 2 square. From here it becomes 13 divided by under root 13. If we multiply numerator and denominator by under root 13, then we will get the distance as, distance becomes equal to 13 under root 13 divided by 13. And finally, under root 13 is the distance between these two parallel lines. Okay, it's enough for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. From next class onward, we will start from equation of an angle bisector.